that can help give citizens full full voting rights. They just came out of a 41-month emergency manager, and the citizens deserve to pick their leaders. And the fact that a local clerk's office made a terrible mistake shouldn't be the punishment of the citizens.
Well, should that be the standard in the future? Because certainly the legal decisions on this are that campaigns are responsible for knowing their deadlines, that the Secretary of State has a handy little website with those dates on it. Does everyone who relies on the wrong advice entitled to the same break?
Well, I think if you went to the city hall and asked the person in the water department, I think you would say, well, of course, that person doesn't necessarily have the information, but the chief election officer, I think, should have and provide accurate information. And I think that's, I think that because of the gravity, the fact that it was, actual information handed to them, and this is such an important issue, and it's only temporary power. The power would go away December 31st of 2015.
But if it's wrong that an elected that they relied on bad advice from the city clerk, then why make it temporary? Why not make it permanent? Why is it wrong?
Secretary of State wanted to make sure that this was that was not a power that they wanted. I think we should make sure that in the future that elected officials check the information themselves. So I think that's it's a serious issue, and I wanted to make sure the citizens had an opportunity to vote. Mistakes made by local appointed officials. It was a tremendous and terrible mistake, and we got to make sure that we rectify it, unfortunately.
And so should it be rectified every time a mistake like that?
I hope it doesn't happen again, no question about it.
But it's happened before, it's going to happen again.
It might, yeah, there's no question about it. I don't know, it's a good question. I'm just worried about Flint right now. I want to make sure that the residents of my community have their full voting rights after being an emergency manager. I'm still on the fence if I'm going to support Giggles, so I don't know. Got some good ideas as far as I'm concerned. Yeah, thank you.